Are you looking for a powerful, durable laptop at a reasonable price for studying, office work, or entertainment? Let's explore the Dell Inspiron 153535, the perfect choice for your daily needs. Modern design, luxurious with carbon black color. Dell Inspiron 153535 has an elegant design, strong black tones, sturdy case, helping you always confidently bring it to school, work, or business trips. 15.6-inch Full HD widescreen, sharp image experience. The device is equipped with a large 15.6-inch screen, Full HD resolution, 1920 by 1080, helping to display sharp images, true colors. Whether watching movies, studying online, or working with Excel spreadsheets, you will feel comfortable and not strain your eyes. Powerful performance with AMD Ryzen 5 7520U chip. Inside is the new generation AMD Ryzen 5 processor, 7520U, providing outstanding performance for office tasks, web surfing, online learning, or even basic photo editing. Fast boot, smooth multitasking, no more lag. 8GB DDR4 RAM plus 512GB SSD hard drive, just enough, super fast. With 8GB DDR4 RAM, you can open multiple browser tabs at the same time, while the 512GB SSD hard drive helps the machine boot in just a few seconds, access data super fast and extremely stable. Integrated AMD Radeon graphics card supports light graphics, basic gaming. The integrated Radeon graphics card helps you watch high-quality videos, process images, 2D graphics, or play light games smoothly. Genuine Windows 11 operating system, beautiful interface, high security. The device is pre-installed with genuine Windows 11 Home, optimized for users with a modern interface, fast speed, long-term update support, and optimal security. Free 6 months of Migrate software, support easy data transfer. You don't need to worry about transferring data from your old device to your new one anymore. Dell has included 6 months of Migrate service to help you easily transfer files, photos, emails, quickly. Stable battery, full connectivity. Dell Inspiron 153535 is fully equipped with connection ports such as USB, HDMI, 3.5mm headphone jack, stable Wi-Fi connection, and good battery life, supporting you to work continuously without worrying about charging. In short, Dell Inspiron 153535 is an ideal laptop in the popular segment, suitable for students, office workers, freelancers, with all the necessary features, beautiful design, and performance beyond expectations. Please click here. Thank you.